Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make steak quick. First, select a cut of steak that cooks fast, such as a sirloin or ribeye, ideally about 1 inch thick. Next, it is crucial to pat your steak completely dry with paper towels. This step ensures you achieve a beautiful, crispy sear. Finally, season both sides of your steak generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. These simple preparations are key to a delicious and speedy meal. Now let us achieve that perfect sear. Place a heavy-bottomed pan, like cast iron, over high heat and let it get screaming hot until it just begins to smoke slightly. Then, add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as canola or grapeseed, to the pan. Carefully place your seasoned steak into the pan, ensuring it lays flat. This initial high heat is essential for developing a rich, flavorful crust on your steak. To cook your steak to perfection, sear it for about 2 to 3 minutes per side for a delicious medium rare. For precise results, use a meat thermometer. A medium rare steak will register an internal temperature of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. If you prefer a medium doneness, continue cooking until the internal temperature reaches 135 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Adjust cooking times based on your desired level of doneness. Once your steak reaches the desired doneness, remove it from the pan and place it on a cutting board. It is absolutely crucial to let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. Finally, slice your steak against the grain for maximum tenderness and serve it immediately to enjoy your perfectly cooked, quick steak.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.